In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download source code from Genspark. By the end, you'll know exactly what's possible, what isn't, and how to set the right expectations before you dive in. Here's the simple truth up front. You generally can't download source code from Genspark. There isn't an official download full code or export project source code option, and that's by design. Genspark positions itself as a full agentic browser and AI platform, and it operates as a closed-source, no-code service. In practice, that means the underlying application code, the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, backend services, and the models powering the experience, is not exposed for users to retrieve. Community discussions and user reports echo this. There's no public API for pulling your app's internals, and you won't find a button in the interface labeled Export Code or Download Full App Source. If you were hoping to open a zip file containing the project's architecture and implementation details, that option isn't available. So what does that mean for your workflow? If your goal is to obtain the platform's internal engine or scaffold your own version of it, that's out of scope. Genspark is built to let you create within the platform, not to hand off its source. At best, you may be able to download the outputs you personally create, things like documents, slides, or other generated files, when the product offers export for those items. Even then, users have occasionally reported friction or limitations with exporting certain outputs, so it's wise to plan ahead. A practical approach is to think in terms of artifacts, not code. As you build, keep copies of the end results in the formats Genspark allows and store them outside the platform for safekeeping. Maintain clear documentation of your prompts, instructions, and workflows so you can reproduce outcomes later, even without code-level access. This mindset will help you preserve value from your work while staying within the platform's intended use. It's also helpful to be clear about what not to expect. There isn't a hidden setting or developer menu that reveals the full application source. Inspecting pages in your browser won't surface server-side logic or proprietary components, and attempting to bypass platform protections can violate terms of service. To recap, Genspark does not provide a way to download its source code or export a complete project codebase. You may be able to export the content you created, but not the platform's internals. If you need code ownership or an exportable stack, consider whether a different, more open platform fits your requirements.